birthday, Wazobia TV. Wazobia, Wazobia TV. Happy birthday, Wazobia TV. Happy birthday, Wazobia Paddy. Paddy said you after 1 year.
Yes.
Thank you. Namaste.
And we did very happy because this is now 1 year of constant delivery.
Ah,
understand?
back to back killing.
Constant delivery. Everyday craziness. Look, let me tell you something. To be a crazy person is actually quite a job. I mean,
it's a job. I mean, look at us, man.
We are professionally crazy.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, completely
okay.
dressed. You know, very okay.
Yeah.
But just not just alright.
We not just stay very alright. You understand? When you say people is not really well, that is us.
It's allowed.
Yes.
It's allowed.
And in this situation, it's something of a pride in something.
Yes.
We are very proud to not be okay. Because our lack of okayness is what is making people to enjoy us. You feel it?
Yeah. I feeling you.
Feeling the girl.
Feeling the girl, yeah.
Feeling the girl, yeah. Feeling the girl, yeah. Oh, like,
and as it be like this now, Mayawa, she knows some people don't newly join us on top of the whole P.
Yes.
They just see us for the first time. They look, say, where are these ones available on the TV? Yeah, we see as us. Yes. So they call us paddy people, Mayowa, Ogbolo. 2 of us, they run the whole P. For the past 1 year now, not be joking thing. You understand me? Even though you are not meeting us for the first time, we don't introduce ourselves to you and just brace yourself for the many craze.
Yes.
We got to bring your way.
AKA, welcome to our club.
Welcome.
We have to tell you this thing. Look, make una no verse, but you have to take us as we are.
Take us as we are.
On this show, realness is our watchword.
Realness now.
Originality was for me. Something. I'm on a turn by turn. It's our turn. It's our turn.
Our turn,
our turn.
Our turn.
No be the romance fashion.
No, I just sing along. Everything you talk, I just sing for them.
But you know they hear pidgin again.
How?
Because now pidgin they tell you say no be that tone, but you see they do.
No be which tone?
The tone we just use them now.
No, not the tone.
Not the tone. Now me no.
Now you don't know. Okay. You understand? Now S-curve no.
Now us no.
Yes. Wow.
We are supposed to go in the break now. What if we now look and say we are not breaking?
We are going to be a rebellious people. You understand? So we know you're going to do that one now.
Okay.
We just start. Well, we just introduce ourselves to some people now.
Okay. So let us create a good first impression. I want to tell you something. See, on this Paddy show, we have quite an impression. You understand? We have quite an impression. So we're going to give you pose. Our responsible anchors used to stay.
Yes. Just as we want to do that one, make we shoot them how they start the whole every last year.
How they start them last year.
So,
you understand?
Yeah,
so yes. So now we are going to give you a sneak peek into how all of this starting in the Wazobia. Yeah. So you have to give them pose. Now Paddy will be right back.
We'll be right back.
Here we are, as your people with one heart,
with one
voice. Generations to come. This is the part for Wazobia. Now we go. We've been living Nigeria. Promise he holds. With the great Wazobia. Wazobia, 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 Wazobia.
We won't let that song go. So I'm going to give out.
We're not too pure. In case you just
our couple are not too enter like that, but don't worry.
Yeah, in case you just join us now, Mayowa and Ogbolo, you don't already tell you. And we get things, you understand? We get, we are very gifted. We do everything.
Yeah.
Our sister complete. By sist,
yes.
I mean we are a singist.
Yeah. We sing. No, as they sing, as they mention all of them, we do them one.
Okay. We are a singist.
We welcome you.
We welcome you.
We welcome you.
Oh yeah.
We welcome
this the album 14. Never tell them. Never tell them.
So we dey sing.
So we dey sing.
We dey sing.
And then we be rapist.
Oh.
As I walk to the valley of and the come alive, and the light they say I be running the with the rap.
With the rap.
Who be this? Who be this?
And God laughed.
And God laughed. With the rap. And
with
then
rap.
we dey teach language.
Yeah.
We dey speak different language. So we are in linguistics.
Yeah, linguistics.
Linguistics.
Yeah.
So like now I dey speak India. You dey speak Latino. So I will start to show you welcome to the show.
All right.
Pieri patoni matene.
Patele bruco stata batata over the title.
Gently bali. Antila pila hats.
La tavre penuntu la patita matatu tale.
Joli François la pli. Justly. Just we are we he.
Natatu pa d'Africa tantornio.
That.
So we they speak.
We they teach language.
Linguistics.
And then we they host.
Oh.
We be hosts. We they hostess. You want to start, my darling?
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of you. Come on to the Party Show. Now your boy Ogbola, of course, your girl Mayowa. Mayowa.
Yes, have a wonderful afternoon as you sit with us and enjoy every part of the show.
So we don't with
the host. And then we still get another one. As we did, we be dancist. Jockeys. Come on, Yahoo's it. Just really quickly, just Yahoo's it. You understand? Then you can alanta it. Just alanta it. Asonto it. You understand? You can etigate while you sit down. Etigate. Now there, you can even second it while you sit down. Second. That is it. So we are a dancist.
Oh no.
Yes.
Don't try us.
Yeah, don't try us.
We are complete.
Then we are not a motivational speakerist.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you do anything what you want to do for your life, don't let anything stop you.
Don't let anything stop you.
Not only if you stop yourself. When you look forward, now the road they see. You get purpose for this life. You know if you just come run like that. There's something about you. Say something about you. There's something about you, girl. You understand?
Yeah.
So you can be whatever you choose to be.
What you want to be.
Motivate. We inspire, motivate.
I tell you. So we be inspirist and motivationalist.
Yes.
Then the one among the many ones, there are plenty. So make I just stop and for this one last one.
Okay.
You understand? We dey teach maths.
Yes.
We are a maths teacher. That one we know very well. And then we even get dictionary. Like me, it's my specialty. I'm a vocabularist.
Yes, vocabularist. Yes, I mean, I do sign language.
In the do sign. So when I talk something in vocabulary, it will sign language, so that you go no say we know just to play. You see, from the curriculum of the exclusives, when you mix it together with the autonomy of a vitagram theory in the arts, you now join it together with the escopes of the personal influence. It gives you a full human being. Yes, that is it. Then that mass, they do it together.
Yes,
the circumference of a radius.
Oh no, it's equal to the diameter according to the centimeter.
No, don't even forget the pi escopes that is beside the diameter.
When you put the formula 2 under the compendium of the Celsius.
Oh, come on, you're not even talking about the square root of it.
And they don't even know about the diameter under the perpendicular.
Now, what of the multiplication of the 3 together?
Then at the end of the day, equal to the circumference of the circle.
And everything is in percentage.
At the end of the day, equal to 2.
That is it.
Finish, 2 of us.
That is just it.
Equal to 2 of us. Finish.
Yes.
So
don't worry yourself.
No joke.
This show na complete package.
This show? Oh,
anything where you dey find.
No joke. We get story, but we don't go talk story.
We don't go talk.
Okay, we go talk one story. One each. Because no be story day. Today is a celebration day, introduction day, and everything. Okay? Mayowa.
First of all,
yes.
Introduction.
I'm
just gonna give you Yandi Yan. So you wanna give us a Yandi Yan?
Okay, for those of us we don't know, we do Yandi Yan. We go give a gist of things that they happen inside and across the border.
Yes.
You understand? Some kind of gist about things.
Yes.
Then after that, we'll call it they laugh. We'll go through some video to make you laugh or to make you think. You understand me now?
Depends on how you take position yourself.
I take your head, take
so
reason.
So you get some sitting position where you go sit down, the video go make you laugh. You get some where you go sit down, you go think.
Exactly.
So it's according to your position.
Exactly.
So Yandi Yan.
Yandi Yan. Huh.
All right. You know, remember Nigerian beach wedding? Some people have marriage in the beach.
Yes.
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 The wedding invite wedding do some days back. Now, beach wedding, they say the thing is sweet, die. I go just read them as they give me a gift. Cannot really study. I didn't really plan to do it. So why? You have to take me as I am.
Okay.
No, because today we didn't really plan it.
Yes,
but don't tell me why. Don't tell me why.
My professional side also won't come out.
Okay,
so that professional, I don't subdue him.
Subdue him. Okay, let me now tell it to you. The bride will be Trisha Ikponwamba.
Ikponwamba?
Ikponwamba.
Let anyone know. Okay.
She gets one charity where they call Stay in School Charity, where we say she they help orphans where they live for inside all these slum areas. That they help them go primary schools, and then she they give them scholarship. And then the groom now Yusuf Philibus. Now the way they take do them, they use white and orange. The theme of the something now white with orange, and then color. the wedding program now hand fan. And a very small, intimate, and colorful wedding. Very small, not too many people. And for beach, they them do their thing.
Okay.
You understand? Breezing breeze. See the girl and the white and yellow. Look, white and orange. Life is not hard.
Okay.
They say, look, if we did not really have the money, instead of me to spend money and call the whole world, I will put it in my orphanage home. So this is not the wedding. And I think it's a good thing, you know.
Not very, very good thing, Sha.
They didn't really have much.
You know, be everybody come and shout and kill yourself.
Yes.
These days, people they just come your wedding. People they hardly give gifts, self.
Yes, now.
They all come chop food, they go out.
They go.
Which is not right.
Yes.
I go and celebrate somebody and you're not carrying a gift to go.
Now the program will be hand fan and sweet.
That their program, hand fan things, where they're just cutting costs.
You know, which is okay, actually.
It's very okay.
Yeah.
You go to see the program on top the hand fan like this. Okay, item 7. Celebration. Oh God. Yes, so it's very, very accommodating. Okay. Now, for my own gist.
For your own gist.
Juliet Ibrahim.
Juliet Ibrahim.
That beautiful Ghanaian actress.
She's quite beautiful.
Oh no, not be quiet. She's too beautiful.
She is beautiful.
She just fine. I tell her one day, I say, come on. She said, what I do? I said, you're fine, I wish.
You don't find anyhow.
You find anyhow. Yeah. Your fineness is annoying. Your fineness is
blind. I blinded.
Very, very annoying.
Yeah.
I mean, so she and Brian,
my guy,
Brian Okwara, Brian Okwara,
yes.
Okwara,
yes.
Brian na model, na actor, na ambassador, brand ambassador.
Anyway, money day.
He just shook his head put.
My guy,
you understand? So Brian, fine boy too.
Fine boy, yo.
And him and Juliet Brian they roll since. And speculation come they say black told them they run things, you know, for some back, but two of them they say they be bay and boo. You understand?
They do even your boos.
See 2 of them for that. Now Juliet Ibrahim be that for the back now be so Julie
baby.
Oh, fine girl. Fine girl. She gets mixture of Lebanese and Nigerian and Ghana blood. And the 2 9 just bring forth this beautiful like this.
Yes.
So Brian, they do birthday. She can't write some kind things for her Instagram picture where she put Brian face for the see 2 of them like this. So, but they say they be best of friends. So.
Oh, they are very close.
Okay, so she can't write for that. She can't say happy birthday to the bone of my bone. The martini in my glass,
Chai.
Tongue of my tongue, flesh of my flesh,
hello.
Bodyguard of my life. Is our birthday.
Our birthday.
The only Hollywood couple that defines the popular statement, even your bulls got a bull. Love you, stupid cow. Wish you the best as you add another year. Alaji B, aka the only brother of mine I'm allowed to kiss. She can't caption the picture where she, share on top. Now the picture where she put for Instagram and then come with this one. So, so by the end of the day, all this way she can't write like when the people say, it be like say something they happen, no. But any which way, if anything they happen, not come and be your business. All of us are there okay, all right.
There's just one thing that is on my mind.
What's on your mind?
Yeah. Let have the light.
Maybe they go. And we they go break now. Come back for laugh the laugh.
Even your boo's got a boo. Hey boo, our master.
Don't be angry.
Wow.
If I wash his feet
shut
with
up, Udakun. Don't inflate. Where to sound?
With my teeth. You don't know when he found me.
Oh, but look.
54 years old woman.
This lady is 54. 54.
All those mama that were there for house. All All these are mama them waiting for us. You're 50 something, and you come and be feeling old. Now I'm met with that too. Eh? But what is 54 years old?
You know, say not be us that they talk to that woman age. You know why? You know we look good for our age.
Yeah, no be joke. I mean, you know.
Give it to us. We look good for our age.
No. For our own age, oh. We look very, very good.
Not joke for our age.
For our age.
If I tell you about age,
if I tell you my age, you go deaf.
True one, and not be like, you go choke.
So boy, you all live out there.
Yeah.
But we just thank God.
But the woman they sing.
The woman they sing pieces. I was just say, sister, why not we get that song? If she hear the song, she'll stand up.
She go stand up. Say.
You did try.
Okay, so let's give you one small video to laugh it up. But before then, if you just join us, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. This is not the professional side they come out now.
Yeah.
You understand? That's why we say they shake head, raise on the head. Yeah. So follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us for Instagram at Wazobia TVNG. Or if you follow me at Mayowa Lambe and follow Ogbolo at Ogbolo on top Twitter. Now Mayowa Lambe and for now for Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. Follow us so if you feel relate. If you do on top YouTube, youtube.com/Wazobia TV. Paddy, all of us did there for you live and direct.
So we come back right now after this particular short video to make you laugh small, and then we'll wrap up the entire show for today. So we'll just see the video, they come back.
Really, nigga? Really, nigga?
Oh my God!
Why mask no make person fear? Now your real face,
now shock people.
He's a funny one.
All right, okay, I know. You don't want us to go. Oh my God, I know.
You know, we're just bad like that.
You don't want us to go, but we have to leave.
Yeah.
Ogbolo, darling, are you ready?
Yeah, we're going to come out now, but don't forget to on top Twitter, I beg, at Wazobia Paddy. Reach there, follow us, relate, For those of you who are joining the service for the first time, you are welcome.
Please
we
take
love
us
you.
back because we want to walk out.
Yeah, we need to walk away from the whole
We have
team.
to walk out.
Happy 1 year to all of us. On top of Paddy and Wazobia TV. Yes. Thank you very much.
You will go like this, I will go like this.
All right. If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No, darling.